How much should you really spend on a small air compressor? Cheap ones die fast, expensive ones feel like overkill, and somehow they all look the same online. But the real difference isn't in the photos or flashy specs. It's in how they actually perform when you're stuck with a flat at midnight. Product number 1, AirModo Portable Pump. Let's start with the AirModo, a sleek cordless tire inflator that looks like it belongs in a tech ad. Priced around $77, it sits in the mid-range but feels premium right out of the box. If you want something compact, quiet, and reliable for everyday car and bike tires, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It hits up to 120 psi, has a bright LCD screen, and automatically shuts off when your tire reaches the right pressure, no guesswork. The built-in LED light is actually useful during nighttime flats, and it comes with 3 nozzle adapters for bikes, balls, and more. It's powered by a 2000 mAh battery that recharges via USB-C, and over 100,000 people bought it last month, which says something. Now some people complained about the battery draining faster on larger tires or in cold weather. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for inflating air mattresses or heavy-duty truck tires. It's built for quick top-offs and emergencies, and for that it's solid. Just keep it charged and don't expect marathon runtime. This is perfect for you if you want a glove box-friendly pump for your car, motorcycle, or bike and hate dealing with cords. Skip this one if you regularly inflate large items or need industrial-level power. For the price, it's a smart buy with real peace of mind. Product number 2, Astro AI L7 Cordless. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious drivers, the Astro AI L7 at just $25.67. Don't let the price fool you. This thing packs serious tech, including a dual-value digital display and 150 psi max pressure. It inflates a standard car tire in under 2 minutes thanks to 17 L-min airflow, and the 4000 mAh battery can handle up to 8 tire fills per charge. Plus, it doubles as a power bank with USB-C output, so you can charge your phone during roadside emergencies. Now some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy and the noise level hitting 80 decibels, louder than expected. Here's the thing though, for under $30, you're getting features usually found in models twice the price. It's not built like a tank, but it's reliable for daily use and emergencies. This is perfect for you if you want maximum value without sacrificing performance, especially for cars, bikes, and sports gear. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty or plan to use it constantly in rough conditions. For casual drivers, it's a steal. Product number 3, DEWALT 20V Max. Now, if the Astro AI's plastic build bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the DEWALT DCC020IB. At $172.77, it's the most expensive here, but it's built like a tool, not a toy. It also works with 12V DC or 110V AC, giving you 3 power options. The high-volume mode handles large items like air mattresses, and the threaded chuck ensures a secure, leak-free connection. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, something rare in this category. Now, some people complained about the weight, over 6 pounds, and the fact that the battery isn't included. It's too lonely. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be tossed in a backpack. It's for people who want durability, versatility, and brand reliability. If you're already in the DEWALT ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. This is perfect for you if you own DEWALT tools or need a rugged, multi-use compressor for home and vehicle. Skip this one if you want something ultralight or don't want to invest in a battery platform. It's pricey, but built to last. Product number 4, Astro AI 12V DC Corded. Alright, that was a premium pick. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you hate worrying about dead batteries. The Astro AI 12V DC Corded model at $34.89. It plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter, so you never run out of juice. The digital gauge is backlit, and it auto-shuts off at your preset pressure. It's also built with Astro AI's Tough Ultra tech, which increases durability by 50%, great if you're rough on gear. Now, some people complain that it only works when the car is running and the cord can get tangled. Here's the thing though, this is a trade-off for constant power. If you're inflating multiple tires or live in a cold climate where batteries struggle, this is actually an advantage. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, always-ready inflation without charging hassles. Skip this one if you need cordless freedom or plan to use it away from your vehicle. For under $35, it's a dependable workhorse. Product number 5, Keen Power 21V Dual Power. Finally, if you want the best of both worlds, cordless freedom with a backup plan, the Keen Power at $80.89 delivers. It runs on a 21V rechargeable battery but also has a 12V DC plug for emergencies. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It hits 160 psi, charges fully in just 1 hour, and includes a flashlight with SOS mode. The dual power design means you're never stranded. Even if the battery dies, you can plug it in. Plus, it has a USB output to charge your devices, making it a true emergency kit. Now, some people complained about the higher price and that it's not suitable for large truck tires. Here's the thing though, this is designed for versatility, not heavy industry. For cars, e-bikes, and motorcycles, it's overbuilt in the best way. This is perfect for you if you want maximum flexibility and don't mind paying a bit more for reliability. Skip this one if you only need occasional use or are on a tight budget. It's a premium option with serious backup power. So which one's right for you? The Airmoto is great for everyday use, the Astro AI L7 is a budget hero, DEWALT is for tool lovers, the corded Astro AI never dies, and Keen Power gives you dual power for true peace of mind. No single winner, just the right fit for your life. Drop your pick in the comments and hit subscribe for more real-world gear tests.